To be young and in love in New York City. Do not know who I am, but still know that I'm good long as you're here with me. To be drunk and in love in New York City. Midnight into morning coffee.
What a way to start a vlog.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Konnichiwa. Good morning, folks of the internet. It's Sky of MagicIanSky. And today we're going to be doing, well, actually we are doing things today. But today is Friday of our trip. And I don't have much to say besides the fact that we just ate breakfast. It was good. And now we're going to get ready for the day. We didn't get any good cereal.
I have to check for today. No, nothing good.
Ugh.
God, we gotta hide.
Hide some what?
You just get hidden. So that
All of them.
no, not all of them are.
At least they're sweet, you know. They're not even the good stuff, but they're
These
sweet.
are awful. They're disgusting.
They're okay.
No. They taste like adult cereal, lightly sweetened.
I feel like a lot of my clips are probably in this bed, but I swear I do a lot during the day. But it's hard to get other people to vlog it for me when I can't vlog in the ocean because I don't have freaking GoPro. Not complaining, but like, you know. I've been annoying Ian to death with Lord's new album. Please go buy it. Hashtag ad, but like. I want the swimsuit! You're supposed to hand things down to your sister. How do you feel about this? Look how cute. Though it also kind of looks like a coffin. No? Does that just make me dark? So we just ate at the place where we ate the first day. And I'm sorry I didn't really vlog, but like it's not that interesting. But look how dark and scary that looks. Blue skies of death. It's okay though, because usually they're just small tropical storms.
I like me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you. I knew from the first time I stayed for a long time, 'cause I like me better when.
Oh come on, you can't even see me.
I like me better when I'm with you. I don't know what it is, but I got that feeling. Waking up in this bed next to you, swear the room, yeah, got no.
So, it's now raining. If you can't see, I'm gonna probably barely tell. But I wanna go swim in the rain. So apparently, according to my mom, this is actually, now that the water's turned like grayish, that's why it's called Florida Plata, because that means like silver water or whatever.
It's raining. Quick guess what's underneath the awning. Crepes. More crepes. More crepes. Crepes.
Getting in the boat. This is the aesthetically pleasing jazz. And it's New Orleans themed. You gotta be kidding me. Another birthday? Number 4. VIP pool was under construction, but now it's finally open, and it's one of my favorites because it has a slope, but it's super cute looking. They have sand like a beach, and then look how freaking beautiful. I used to take some cute photos in the center of that, so maybe we can come back tomorrow and get a cute one. But yeah, and then there's like a slope in the water, which is like my fave. Oh, Pooch, look what he climbed up. Hello.
You're so cute. You're just what happened to your other socks, baby?